just want to take this time to tell you how much I do not want to go outside into this. And shovel for 3 houses! At least the new roof is doing its job. Car is cleared off. I'm bringing my own shovel, because sometimes people don't leave them in obvious places for me. And we're ready to go to our first farm. This is what the roads look like. I don't think they've been plowed. Patrick's car doesn't have any gas, so that's good. I'm a master problem solver. Guys, one of the employees that's out here shoveling around the gas station is smoking a cigarette right near the pumps. Send help. Okay guys, it's about 9 a.m. We're at our first farm. I would have been here earlier, but when my alarm went off, I rolled around in bed for half an hour wondering why I do what I do. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy taking care of the animals, but I think I would enjoy it a little more if I were taking care of the animals in Florida today. I walked in here and I said, wow, it really smells like bugs. These guys usually don't come in here. I must really hate the snow. My hair is soaked like I just came out of the shower because the snow keeps melting on me, but we're on to farm number 2, and this one should be easier. This farm that we were just at has about 30 plus goats on it, a horse, chickens, guinea hens, everything that you can imagine. The next farm just has 5 goats and some chickens, so it'll be a lot faster. And it's less spread out, so less shoveling as well. Good morning, ladies. Move. That was rude. So this house is completely off the grid. Since it's not a great sunny day, their solar panels aren't going to cut it. So I'm going to have to hang out here for a while and run their generator for them. As far as my animals go, I feed them 1 time a day in the middle of the day. I've conditioned them to that because I know that I'm going to be at different farms in the morning and in the evening doing morning chores and afternoon chores. And it's just a lot easier on them if they expect to be fed midday instead of in the morning. I'm finally back home, and I'm going to do my own animals who are patiently waiting by their gate now. That's the pigs. I don't know if you can really tell. I'm probably not going to film the chores today just because you've seen it before. I'll add in videos of the animals otherwise. But I do not want to carry the camera around while I'm shoveling again. Get.
I don't have anything. Coffee. You want some coffee? Oh, they're pecking at the nose on the snowman. And my fingers. Oh, come on. Oop. Leave my fingers alone.
Thank you guys for joining me on this snowy day in Maine, and we'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment for us, and subscribe. Have a great day.